thick Jamaican smoky flavored jerk season with just a few ingredients. If you want to see how, continue watching, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If it's the first time here, welcome. My name is Nicola. Here you find lots of Jamaican dishes and international dishes. And to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thanks for all the support. So let's jump into the ingredients for this one. First call of action is to prep our fresh ingredients. And all that will be on the screen, and I'll link them in the description box as well. We're going to wash all our ingredients, chopped, because we'll be using a blender for this. You can use a food processor if it's available to you, but I'll be using my blender. So I'm just going to roughly chop these and I'll come back in a bit. That we have prepped all our fresh ingredients. Now I'm going to add this to the blender, and for the liquid agent I'm going to use some apple cider vinegar. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, go ahead and use your white vinegar. So I'm just going to add this to the blender, pulse until it's chunky and in a paste-like texture, then we add the rest of ingredients. So now I'm going to add my browning powder seasons of choice. All those will be on the screen and I'll link them in the description box below. So go ahead and check those out. And then we're going to pulse this just for it to combine and adjust taste if needed. So when you're seasoning your meat with this season, you just have to adjust the taste because we already add everything to this mix. And this can pretty much use on poultry, fish, whichever meat or fish of your choice. This works very well. Okay, this is a secret for us getting that smoky taste. I'm using the liquid smoke. I'm going to use half a bottle of this one because this is a lot of marinade. So I use more than half bottle. And the other important ingredients is our brown sugar. This will tie everything together. So now it's time to pulse and we prepare our jar so we can store this. She is thick. Yes, this is a texture that we need. Yes. So I'm just going to store these in tight sealed jars, and these can last for a couple months if you store them properly. And the longer they stayed, the tastier it becomes. So I hope that you guys did enjoy this one. So please like the video, share, drop me a comment below, hype the video, and do subscribe for more. So until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.